Brian, tell us about the 51-piece EDC maintenance kit from Wiha and Knafs.
Bart, super excited that this thing is finally here, ready to go. The story behind this is Knafs Knife Company was actively buying our precision bits. Very trusted bit in the knife industry. I checked out their website, liked what I saw. Really good to reach out to them and partner with them.
Between you and Ben and Austin at Knafs, you found a spot for everything in a pretty small, I believe, waterproof format, right?
Yep, has a weatherproof seal on it as well.
You got a wide selection of micro bits. You've got this handy diamond stone with 600 and 400 grit, a little spudger for taking apart your knife to clean and maintain it, 2 precision Wiha screwdrivers, T6 and T8.
Yep.
This awesome bit holder that Knafs designed. It's kind of resembles a rocket ship. Really clever design there, and a beautiful fit and finish. And tell us about the Lander 2-pocket knife.
Great, glad you asked. So this colorway, Bart, the black blade with the red handle, this is only for Wiha tools. So Ben came up with the concept of doing this colorway, laser engraved, detail-filled little laser engraving detail on the belt clip as well. Blade is S35 VN steel, so very premium quality steel for the kit.
Fantastic, thanks Brian. And don't forget to follow Knafs on Instagram. They've got some great content, and check this out at wihatools.com. I think you're really gonna enjoy it.